Yeah, R2S. Big up Shucks, don't know. Yeah, I'm the master, pray to me your father. I bring the drama, you'll get lyrically scarred up. Take this as a warning, come against caution. You see a nigga change like the devil just swarmed him. Eyes red off the weed, niggas wanna get for free. Tell them all stay away like I got leprosy. And you best believe I'm the best in the streets. So tell all the tycoons to invest in me. You got the light, I got it too, mine's brighter. You're still juice, I keep fizzing like Tizer. Rhyme liver, keep spitting, no saliva. Ain't old school mask rider, I'm Guyver. You bros only jumping on beats, I dive on. Caution's the finishing touch like Nitron. Icon, there's always a gap whenever I'm gone. You can still hear what I say without the mic on.
You know we make the most of situations we've been placed in. Steady fighting Satan and the shit that we've been facing. Hi, my name is Tation, rebel to society, thank you for embracing. This life that we are tasting is a taste of what I'm chasing. No, I'm not wasting, wanna live free, yeah, freer than the Masons. Giving them nightmares, Freddy and Jason. Sick with them tight snares, the bass amazing. You see us 4 youths with a little bit of stout and 4 zoots. We will deplore booths, we will defloor you. You can't ignore who leaves you raw, no jaw. You want some more, dude? Nah, didn't think so. We're deep in this game and you're just on the brink. So think, bro, and you will save yourself some grief. Cheat your gums like the bank and you will save yourself some teeth.
We tested death from birth, ready to emerge. As the table's turning, one's born, another murdered. Through the pain, burning like furnaces. Your hate's worthless, seeing snakes, serpents raised from concrete surfaces. People rely on purchases, trading like merchants. We placed in a circus, yet never failing our purpose. Gaining my virtues, we certain to be the first through. Look with the third view, my words fluent. Right fist revolution with my troops. The sea's full of pollution and illusion. Looking for solutions, you win after you lose it. Thinking about moving, sick of the routine. The route ain't clean, the truth don't gleam. Rooting for cream, cash ruling everything around me. Trapped in our surroundings, how we get out, stand proud.
We living in these devilish times. Many have died. When beef comes, no talk, get settled with nines. I'm just trying to get my message precise. Treasure your life, cause you can't walk in hell with that bezel that shines. Everybody's friends on the grind, they hustling hard. Forget the gym, cause your strength ain't out muscling ours. I'll crush you with art from the start, nothing bizarre. Spar with a Spartan, kick him in his nuts and then laugh. Pick up the skunk and crumble it fast, burning with stars. Cause we come to bring you the light in the slums where it's dark. R2S legendary, more than necessary evidently. I rep in the ghetto where heaven sent me. I get deep whenever I speak, benevolence leak. Mentally free, testing me, you're set for defeat. Can never measure the degree of my excellency. I'm royal, you wouldn't fit up in my residency. Blah.